Is the Sereniva bracelet a scam, or is it actually helping women with menopause in 2026? Let's cut through the noise and get real, fast. So, you've probably seen Sereniva's ads all over your feed, promising natural menopause relief with beautiful crystal beads. But what's the truth behind the hype? First off, shipping is a major issue. Tons of buyers on Trustpilot say their bracelets took months to arrive, if they ever showed up at all. Some people are still waiting and starting to wonder if they've been scammed. And even when the bracelet does arrive, there's no guarantee you'll get what you saw in the ad. Some folks report cheap quality, fading colors, and even skin rashes from the metal. That's a huge red flag, especially at prices between $19 and $39. Now, about those health claims. Sereniva says their bracelet helps your body balance hormones and reduce hot flushes using crystals like carnelian and citrine. Here's what medical experts say. There's no scientific proof that wearing any bracelet, crystal, copper, or magnetic, can actually relieve menopause symptoms. If you feel better, it's likely just the placebo effect. But to be fair, some customers do say they felt less night sweats and more energy while wearing it. Is it the bracelet or just positive thinking? That's up for debate. Fast facts. Shipping delays or missing orders are common complaints. Many buyers felt misled by ads. Some noticed no effect at all on their symptoms. Quality can be hit or miss, sometimes resulting in skin irritation. Here's my honest take. If you love the look of the Sereniva bracelet and just want some pretty jewelry, go for it. But don't expect it to fix your menopause symptoms. For real, evidence-based relief, talk to your healthcare provider. That's always the safest and smartest move. Drop your own experience in the comments and be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews.